Viewers, in this session, we are going to learn about ORIC, that stands for Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization. HEC aims at motivating and facilitating the higher education institutions to make research a top priority for a sustainable economic growth and future economy. For this purpose, a center is established in universities to serve as a pivotal point, encompassing all the research activities from development of research proposal to the commercialization of research products under a single umbrella. These centers are called Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization. Specifically in the University of Education, Lahore, this office is not established on the name of this ORIC, whereas that is the Directorate of Research, but his mandate and working all is as ORICs do. This office is very important towards the research and for research and development, international agencies, funding from international agencies, funding from Higher Education Commission, and thematic grant research, any type of grant for research to be taken by the faculty and the students. The major purpose of this office to support towards development of research proposal for that very much funding. And if I quote an example of University of Education, let me share with you more than 50 faculty members have won the research grant, so much so the Punjab Education Foundation Partner School System is also under a research project. So any type of the research project won by the faculty that is supported by the ORIC. HEC is working to organize the research activities of universities, HEIs, ensuring availability of well-established and fully functional ORICs. These ORICs provide strategic and operational support to the research activities program of a university, and it has a central role in facilitating the outcome of the university research. These research intend to focus mainly on turning innovation, pure knowledge into innovation, products and production processes that can ultimately impact the welfare of community welfare. The ORIC aims to manage the university's research programs and to link research activities directly to the educational, social, and economic priorities of the university and its broader community. So this is also to support the community as well. The ORIC is also responsible for assuring that the quality of research reflects the highest international standards and advances the stature of the university internationally. जितना ORIC किसी का स्ट्रांग होगा उतना उसका बेहतर काम और बेहतर रेप्यूट होगी internationally or nationally. So the role of ORIC is very important because it is responsible for assuring that quality of research reflects the highest international standards and advances the stature of the university internationally. ORIC shall guarantee that all research programs and policies reflect the core values of academic freedom, professional integrity, ethical conduct, and full compliance with all policies, legal requirements, and operational standards of the university. For this, ORIC wants to improve the environment for all research and scholarship by supporting the strategic research directions and policies of universities, improving integration of research and education at all levels of the institution, increasing and diversifying external research funding, improve recruitment and retention of the top faculty. All the public sector universities and those private sector universities who are eligible to for research support can enjoy the benefits that can be acquired from the establishment of offices of research, innovation, and commercialization known as the ORECs. How to apply for OREC? Initial process, all universities have to concentrate all their research activities under a single office called OREC. Meaning all of the research activity of the universities or departments have to be carried out under OREC. Then information on application form for OREC notification with documentary evidences and human resource details on prescribed OREC HR form should be sent to HEC for further process. स्क्रूटनी का स्टेज आती है. A thorough scrutiny in line with the terms and conditions will be done of the information received on the prescribed proforma from universities. फिर HEC उसका notify करती है. After the terms and conditions are fulfilled, the ORIC will be notified by the HEC, enabling the university to get overhead cost 15% instead of provisionally adopted procure of 2% against each research project proposal submitted to NRPU, National Research Program for University. तो ओवरहेड जो है उसका 15% और दो उसके प्रोसेस का है 17% और रखना होता है. और यानी यूनिवर्सिटी है और जिस किसी की भी कोई हो प्रोजेक्ट उसमें से. That is all about the ORICs of the universities.